Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So this is the design that I created on my nails this week. I went for a pretty simple design. I went for reverse tips using diamond glitter. So I'm just buffing my natural nail here with my nail buff from Miss You Beauty. Just getting rid of that shine from my nail, ready for application of gel polishes. So the first off, I'm going in with a layer of my base coat and I cure that in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. And as you can see, my nails are quite short. I just wanted to extend them ever so slightly, not too much, just enough so that they're noticeable. So I'm going in with a layer of my gel strengthener and I cure that in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. So I've got my reverse tips here. I bought these a while ago, to be fair, but as you can see, I'm measuring them so that they are just slightly bigger than my actual nail. Got my gel cleanser, just pop that in a little tub, and then I've got rose quartz diamond glitter and my gel brush. So this diamond glitter actually looks like opals. Oh my word, it's amazing. So I just scoop a bit out with my gel brush and I place that down on the underside of the reverse tip. I've not done this method for a really long time, so I am a little bit out of practice. But I went in not in slow motion, but I've shown it in actual time so that you can see, you know, how I got on with it. So I just dip my brush in the gel cleanser and then I pat out the diamond glitter on that nail just to create like a nail shape basically. To begin with, I did go a bit too short, so I had to add a little bit more, which you'll see in a minute. My nail was longer than what I realised when measured against these reverse tips. So yeah, so I'm just adding a bit more here. So just make sure there's no air bubbles on that nail. Just pat it out nicely. Make sure there's enough product as well on the underside of the reverse tip. Yeah, I normally do flexi press tips at the moment, or acrylic, or just a little bit of gel, but I really fancied just a full layer of this diamond glitter because I think it's just absolutely amazing. I mean, just like that. And the beauty of using the reverse tip method, as you can see just here, I'm just placing it down, just pressing it down ever so gently because I don't want the product to just to squeeze out basically. And the underside, I'm just patting out that little bit there, just spreading it out a little bit further, and then I cure it in my LED lamp for 60 seconds and they just peel off. So easy and quick to create a nail like this. It's amazing. I just love that. And I just file around it, around the cuticle area as well, just wiping off any tacky layers on the underneath. And as you can see, I've got the most amazingly smooth finish. And when you use the diamond glitters with the reverse tip, oh my goodness, the shine is just amazing. So I just went for like oval almond, I don't know what you call them, nails. Just filing around the cuticle area here with my nail file. Make sure that it's nice and flush with my cuticle. Being careful obviously not to file over the surface of that nail as well, because then you will you'll reduce the shine basically. The product won't be as shiny and beautiful. So I'm really trying to be very careful with it. Like I said, it's been a while since I've used reverse tip method, but oh man, I love it. So just buffing that bit as well, make sure it's nice and smooth. And then I go in with my top coat, non-wipe top coat, and cure that for 60 seconds in the LED lamp. How cool are they? Does that not look like opals or what? So yeah. I'm not sure if this diamond glitter's still on the website, guys, but they do have other ones and they are just as amazing. So I wanted to go in real time so that you could see exactly how I was doing it. And yeah, I just wanted to be a bit slower with it today. Just go with the underside as well so that you can see everything in detail. Yeah. And then I did the rest of my nails and just applied some cuticle oil. So, thank you so much for watching my video this week, guys. I didn't feel that this set needed any more nail art than what it already had. I wanted you to really appreciate the diamond glitter, basically, and how pretty it was. So thank you so much for watching my video this week, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, as always, please give me a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and the Nail Vision app where I do other videos. I will leave links to everything that I used in the description box below for you all to check out. And don't forget about my discount code, guys. So I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.